Welcome back to Team Gktech video number whatever. Today we're going to be doing a rear drop knuckle Gktech install on the s15. This is just for if you want to do it. And yeah, so what we got here, we got the factory s15 DE setup, and then we got the Gktech drop knuckle here, right hand side. It's already got the brake caliper bracket on it, so we'll be just putting the hub into that one, and there's a bit of cutting you got to do and stuff just to get the backing plate onto that one, but I thought I might as well do it now while it's out. I'll give it a clean later, but for now just put it all together, make sure it all fits, make sure it all goes all good together, and then yeah, let's go. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the caliper bolts off, get rid of this caliper, we don't need it anymore. You will be going, or I will be going Nissan Skyline rear brake with a Willwood, it's a dual caliper setup, so I'll have a Nissan Skyline brake and Willwood caliper as well. Can do instead of being rough, release the brake pads. That's the brake caliper removed. Now we need to take this rotor off. We take the disc off. Why I'm being a bit rough with this is doesn't matter. I'm not using this rotor anymore. I'll be getting brand new rotors, preferably probably 32 ones, maybe 33 ones, but for now, yeah. So next, what we will be doing is we'll be taking off all these arms. I've left them on there just so I don't lose anything, but it's all good. I'll pull them all off, and yeah, we'll just go from there. I already recorded this part, but Shannon had the phone up and down, not sideways, so we have to restart the video. Anyway, so what we've done so far is pull off all the arms on the back end. Sorry, I didn't. You probably can see in the other video where I take them off on. Surely you know. They were all previously loose before I got the whole unit out of the car. That way it makes life easy for me when it is out of the car rather than trying to heave on it. As you can see, I have this is the Habib workbench here on the floor. You know, like tradition. We can't have a normal workbench. It's too professional. So anyway, enough of the sob stories. We've taken it all off. The discs there, the calipers there. That's the Gktech drop knuckle that we will be putting in. All I'm going to do now is take these 4 bolts off the back here, and then take the hub off and get rid of this backing plate. And then I'm honestly thinking just leave the backing plate off. I probably won't even put it back on. You can put it back on, but if there's like fuck all left of it, what's the point, right? So anyway, we'll take it off and then we'll see how it goes. This part might be fucking... This is the only thing I didn't loosen off. So we'll see how it goes. You know, Habib power helps. It's just too much tamanu marag. You know, margat fasuliyah. It's Arabic soup, curry, you could call it, whatever. Oh, that one's a bit too much of that one's too tight. So what we do is use the Habib special tool. Ready? That's what you do. You just give it a shock to the system. And just like that. Margat fasuliyah. You know, I'm pretty good at aiming. I've had a lot of training. We won't say how, but yeah. Good training. Probably the only Arab that can aim right. So you just take these 4 bolts off. You know, you got to keep it all straight. Even the bolt, oh, see, it's a bit off. You got to make it nice and perfect so you know where it is. What I like to do is put them in order that I take them out. That's wrong then. Doesn't really matter, but at least it might go on a bit better later on. Yeah, yeah, that's how you get it out. So you would, oh shit, that just fucked it up because I spun the whole up. Anyway, so you would usually, don't worry about it. So what we'll do is we'll put this bolt, so we'll try to line it up. It's way different too. Oh, nah, it looks similar. So we'll chuck the shock bolt on there. The only difference, I don't know if you can see it, is that's the caliper bolts there, those two. This is obviously for a Skyline rear caliper, so obviously that's why I can't use that anymore. And then this is for the hydro, this is for the Willwood caliper. So it's a dual caliper setup. What I might do, nah, that's going to stay out because it can't be bothered. That can go over there for now. I was gonna paint it and that, but CBF, to be honest. Sweet, so I just gave it a wipe. Doesn't matter. I'm just getting a bit picky now. Anyway, so we'll chuck that back on. You can, I was gonna wire wheel these and all that and zinc, get them zinc coated and shit, but not even on too much. It's getting to a point now where just can't be bothered, but it's too cold. I have a storage unit, but I'm not gonna go there just to do this. I need a phone assistant. So my phone assistant can't travel. I'm not paying a travel allowance at the moment. So we'll just do this for now. But pretty much just chuck those on there. I don't think there would have been much left of the back end plate anyway by the time you hacked it up, cut it all up, because you can see the size of this unit. By the time you chuck that in there as well, let's say roughly there, like, well actually it would be there because of the caliper. Like I would have had to cut all of this here out. I would have to chop a chunk of it off. So there might have been like just this bit here. Don't worry about it. I'm losing my mind, guys. My car don't run. I'm working outside. I'm in the South Island. Shouldn't be in the South Island. My ancestors will be turning in their grave right now. Well, like what Arab lives in the South Island? Jamila, 4 years. Yeah, that's tight enough, you know, because you saw before I only did it like that. No, we'll be talking these up later, but for now, I just want to put it on. And then, yeah, Bob's your uncle. Bobby B, he's your uncle. Once the rotor's on here, well, you can probably just chuck that on there for now. This won't be going back on there, but just to give you a rough look. Once that's on there, you know, and then the caliper sits here, the Woolwood caliper sits here. The other one will be down the bottom, opposite side. So it'll be Woolwood caliper here, Skyline caliper there, brand new rotors. I'll give this a clean. I'll show you my Woolwood calipers. All good. So we found the calipers. There you go, Woolwood. For you haters out there that said I wouldn't make it. No, delete that bit. Delete it? Okay. Are you saying yes or no? Okay. So there's a Woolwood calipers. I got these from Dan. Oh, sorry. Go back, delete that. I got these from a D1 South Pro at the time. He dropped me he's the man. He sold me the rear drop knuckles and the calipers for pretty cheap. And he even got them, all the pistons and seals and that inside rebuilt for me. They're pretty much brand new. Yeah, but obviously there's no disc here, but this is where they go. So they'll sit over here. So one will go here on the bracket, and the other one will, they probably can just sit on here for now, to be honest, just because that way I won't lose them. I won't lose them anyway, but you know, that way one less thing to try and move around and that. So yeah, that's how they'll go. And then there'll be a 32 one down there, or Skyline one down there, and then a brand new disc in here, and then everything else will bolt back up to how it was. And then Bob's your uncle. Oh, it says that, Bob's your uncle. That's it. So that's one unit done. The other one I'll do without videoing it because it takes too long to do while trying to explain. But yeah, cheers for watching, and hopefully this has given you some sort of actual real life knowledge. You can watch other videos on YouTube on how to do it, but you know, it's never as easy as it looks. Well, it is, but you just got to take your time. But anyway, yalla, go away. I got stuff to do. Yalla, bye.